Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible properly?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, so within 2 minutes we will start our practical. Before starting practical, which part you have covered in the lecture, in today's morning lecture? Yes? Yes, students? Which part you have studied in today's lecture? Okay, so today we will see how to implement the canvas because this is the part of HTML5, so you can directly try it because it is having very small syntax as compared to others. Okay, so have you studied it? Yes, students. Okay, yes, Nehal. Okay, so today you have studied the canvas, so you have to implement it. If any queries are there, you can ask me, but take your time, 5 to 10 minutes, implement it, and share your screen or your query. Okay, so who will try first? If any queries are there, then that time I will solve that queries. But before that, start designing it. Okay, first try it. Afterwards, I will show you one example related to Canvas. But take 5 to 10 minutes. First try it, and after that, I will show you one program based on the Canvas. Okay. So take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will call those who are not having laptop. They have to write on pages, and you have to share that screenshots or photos of your pages by sharing your screen. Okay, any queries in Canvas? Okay, before moving side by side, listen one thing. Mm, In previous practical, we have covered two parts. First one is the tags, which are related to images as well as anchor tag. Okay. Anybody has tried related to these two tags? So meanwhile, you can share those programs also. In next practical, we will see the element like Google Maps semantics. We are unable to design the code for means output for Google Map, but we can design the code because we need the permission. Semantics we can implement it. Then migration. This is the part of a HTML5. So we will implement these three in the next practical. But today you have to implement the canvas because today only that part is covered. So there is no necessity to revise all this thing. You can directly implement it. Still, anybody having any query, you can ask me. Okay, so who has completed that code? Should I call name? Sanjay? Sanjay, am I audible? is the practical session. I want answer from you. Okay. So you should implement it and you have to share it. I am calling some names. If you have not replied at that time, your absentee will be marked. Okay. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi Bhogaonkar.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you implemented? At least try it. And whatever you have tried, you have to share it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Praveen, have you implemented? If you are not interested to implement, then discuss with me. I will not conduct such a sessions. I will directly start the practical. If you want to share your screen, share it. Otherwise, I will go forward. Yes. Are you interested or not? Okay, I will. Yes, Mamta.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you implemented?
I have written in notebook. I don't have laptop right now.
Okay, so you can
Yeah.
share it. No issues. You can take a screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can share your screen.
Um,
Okay. Yes, anybody else who has implemented it? Actually, this is very simple concept. No need to take that much time. Still, you are taking so much time. Okay, if you are not interested to share your screen, I will move towards next point. Yes? Should I go further? Yes, should I go further? Okay, so I will move towards semantics and from here onwards, whatever you will implement, I will provide you a link. You have to upload it on that link. Compulsorily, you have to upload it either in the written format or if you are having laptop, they can use the screenshots. But those who are not having laptop, they have to write on the pages, scan those copies, and upload on that Google form. From next practical onward, that will be continued, and from there only, your marks will be calculated. Okay? This will be for internal purpose, not for the external. Yes, Mamta?
Yes, ma'am. We don't have laptop, that's why I've written on paper only.
Yeah, yeah, no issues. You can. Because
Okay.
many of you are not having laptop, I know it. So you can write on the pages, no issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Are you sharing now? Yes, Mamta, are you sharing? Okay, so after Mamta's presentation, I will move towards the semantics. Okay, first understand what is meant by semantic. I will first discuss what is meant by semantic. Meanwhile, Mamta, you can take a screenshot and you can share it after taking a screenshot. In any language, it is
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So HTML5 provides more semantic elements which make easy understanding of the code. Okay, so different types semantics are available in the HTML5. Those elements are supported by the major browsers. Okay, so you can use it and you can design your codes with the help of those semantic elements. So I will give you the names of tags related to semantic. First one is the article. So total a most important tags are 5 to 6, but total 13 tags are available. First one is the article. So we will conduct one by one practical on each tag. First one is article, which is used for defining different types of articles. Then aside, which use the content of the page. We have to alignment. Okay. Then details means define additional details of that user or view. You can hide it, no issues, but you can detail over there in the detail tag. Next figure is there, you know how to use it. That that will be preferred to add the images, diagrams, photos, listings, etc. on your web pages. Then footer, you know what is mean by header and footer, you have already used in the word. So same pattern is there. Whatever you want to assign as a header or footer, you can assign with the help of these two tags. Then main means tag name is a main. It specifies the main content of the document. Then another one important tag related to semantic is navigation. Okay, means whenever you want to move on the another link, you can use the navigation tag. Then section, summary, time. Time is related to assigning the date and time, means you can show it on the pages. So we will see one by one. First, we will see the article. Actually, it is very easy tag. Whatever code you want to write, which is in the format of a article. So first I will show you how to write the navigation. Okay, so I will show you how to write the navigation tag. I will share my screen. Before moving towards semantic, A simple canvas I will show over here. Okay, so I have written a very simple canvas code. This is the information related to canvas. So this is HTML5. I have written here doc type. In that HTML, then I have open HTML tag and it has been closed. So there is no necessity to write the HTML because whenever you are dealing with the canvas, it is already available in HTML. You are fetching it into the HTML5. So format is one and the same. Then in body tag, I have used the canvas tag. With the help of a canvas, you can design an outline. Idea of that canvas is nothing but the first, then width, whatever width you require you can assign over here, and same related to height. Then different types of borders are available, so you can consider it in the style. Different types of borders are available. Then how many pixels you want to use means size of that border, and whether you want it as a solid or transparent you can use according to your requirement. Okay, so this is the simple syntax of a canvas. So you can assign a colors also. Okay, you can use different types of colors also over here. So I have designed a simple canvas. Now see how it will work. Okay, so this is a simple canvas having style as a 2 pixel border and which is solid one. Okay, so there are different types of styles are available design for designing the canvas. So according to your use you can use it. I think that part has covered in your lecture, so I will directly move towards the semantics. Okay, now we will see one by one different semantic tags. Out of that, first I will cover the navigation tag. Okay, you can see here. First, you have to write the HTML code. Okay, so this is HTML5. So you can write here doc type, then HTML tag. If you have written, then you should close it. Okay, then body tag you have to use the navigation tag. So I will open it and close it. Okay, next part is navigation. Now we will see how to use the navigation tag. First, I will start that tag and I will close it. Okay, understood? I have opened and closed that tag. In that, I want to open different sites with the help of a simple name or simple phrase of that data. Okay, now suppose I have written one paragraph and out of that paragraph there is a main word. Suppose that paragraph is related to Java information, and whenever I will click on Java, the material related to that point is get open. Okay, so that type of a coding you can design with the help of navigation tag. Now you can see here, I will write here different college names. So first I will write here, 1 minute, I will take different links. Okay. Okay, so I will use these two sites for navigation purpose. Now we will move towards our code. How to use this? First, you need a anchor tag because you want to give the references in anchor tag. H reference. Okay, in H reference you have to provide that link. Okay, in H reference you have to provide that link. Now suppose uh, first I will take this one. Okay, and whatever data or whatever phrase you want to provide for that particular link you can provide here. So I will write here poly, and after that I will close the anchor tag. Okay, first I have opened it, I have written some data, and then I have closed it. Then after that, after writing it, I want to write another phrase in front of same tag. So for that purpose I will use, okay, understood, this syntax means by giving a slash. Now same I will use the same anchor tag for giving the another name, that is the Swery COE. Only I will replace the link, and here I will write the UG or PG. Okay, so you can mention here or also. Okay, so what I have done, I have simply created two navigation. First one is related to poly and second one is related to UG. So I will save this program as first.html. First.html. Now I will open this. Okay, you can see here two tabs are available. First one is poly and second one is user PG. When you will click on it, it will move towards that link, and when you back and after that you want to open this one, you can open it likewise. Okay, so in same fashion you can design a different tags over here. Okay, means different links simultaneously you can provide over here. This is comes under the navigator tag. Okay, any queries? Yes, any queries are there? No queries? Okay, Mamta, can you share it now so we can move further? From next practical onward, I will provide you one Google form link. You have to upload particular experiment, whatever I have provided you, you have to upload within the time. Whatever time I will provide you, half an hour or 50 minutes. In that period only you have to upload it. I will share that link on the chat box only. I will not share on your group. I will share it on the chat box only, so you can directly upload those data on that link, because sometimes it may happen that due to network issues you cannot share your screens. So I will provide that facility, but you have to upload it. At least those who are present in that lecture, that many data must be present on that Google form. Means that many screenshots must be available on that Google form. Okay. So next tag is aside, which is used to represent the content which is indirectly giving information to the main content of the page. It is frequently represented as a sidebar. It is frequently represented as a sidebar. Okay, now suppose whenever I am writing some paragraph, okay, and after that paragraph whatever I want to write as a short one, you can write in the aside tag. Okay, you can write it in the aside tag. So okay, so we will first write that code. If you want to write down this, you can take it, so we can move further. That is the aside tag. Okay. Have you taken a screenshot? Okay, so meanwhile give the present team. Mention your roll numbers in the chat box. Okay? Okay, all of you given a present team? Finished? Okay, so we will move towards next tag, that is the aside. Okay, aside tag. First, I will write here some code. Okay, whatever code you want to write, you have to write in the body tag because it is a part of a body. Then first start and close the HTML tag. After that, body tag. Okay, now in body tag, you have to write your code. Am I audible? Okay, so in body tag, you have to write your code. Suppose I want to write a heading. First, I will write a heading because aside is related to providing a small information or extra information related to your paragraph. Okay, so first I will write at first paragraph. Okay, first paragraph. You can write your required over here, but I'm only showing you here how to use it in your program. Okay, after that, I will use the paragraph tag. In that, whatever data you want to write, you can write it. Now, I will kept it as a some data. Suppose I have written my own information. My name is suppose XYZ. I have written over here. And again, your related data you can write over here. Then, after that, you have to close it. This is completely related to paragraph. So, you can write a more information over here. Then, after that, you have to write a aside tag. Okay, and you have to close it also. Okay, in aside tag, suppose I want to write here some data related to another paragraph. Okay, now see here. First, I have written here first paragraph. I will copy this and I will write here as second paragraph. Now, see how it will work. You should know the working. That's why I have taking this part, how it works, and I will give heading as a H4. Okay, and again another paragraph as which is present in the same one. Okay, in aside tag only my addresses. Okay, I will write here as addresses. Okay, then I will save it first, then I will show you how it works. Second.html. Okay, what I have done, first I have created a body tag. In that I have written heading as a first paragraph. In that content related to paragraph, you can write multiple lines also. For example, I have written a single line. Then second one, I have written the aside tag. And how it will work, we will see now. Okay. So first I have written first paragraph and its data, then second paragraph and its data. So you can see here, this is our code, right? It is showing you one by one, right? It is showing you one by one. So you have to implement it as a one by one. That is the main use of aside tag. Okay? Any queries? So whatever content you are writing over here, all these contents are go to next line without any query. And suppose in aside tag, if I have written like this in the font header, okay, so only that part is get changed because we have kept it as a aside. Understood? Whole part is not get changed. Now suppose if I have removed this, what will happen? You can see I have removed that part. Now you can see how it works. Okay, but now whenever I am adding here a side tag, I have used h2 as a header. So its style is h2 and its style is h2. But whenever I am using here a side tag, it is get changed. It is get changed. You can see here. Okay, you can see here. First, what I have done? I have removed a side tag. Now I have again assigned it. You can see its h2 value is different and its h2 value is different. So this is the difference between aside. Understood? Means whatever data we have written before aside, it will be considered as a different one, and whatever data we have written inside the aside tag, it will have the another orientation. Okay? Any queries inside it? Yes, any queries? Okay, so take a screenshot. I have purposefully used the same heading, that is the H2 H2. Okay, finished? Yes, have you finished? Should I move further? Yes, should I move further or not? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So I will go to next semantic tag. Next semantic tag is related to header. Okay, header element represent the header of the document which can contain in introducing content and navigation links. So according to your use, you can use it. Right now I will show you here the different list how you can implement over here. Okay, so I will create a list inside the body part. First, you should write here doc type, then HTML tag, opening and closing HTML tag. Next, in that body tag, we will cover all these things. Okay, then we are dealing with the header. So first we will open that header and then we will close it. Now in that, suppose first head as a h1 style, then I will write here as a welcome. Okay, so you can write your own data also while creating. Then navigation tab, if you want to move on the another page, so you can use the navigator tab. Again, now I will show you how to use the list over here inside it, how to create it. Li is the tag to mention the list. In that, home means it assigned side by side, means after one tag another tag will be there according to the page. Okay, you know it. Home tab will be there, after that about us, contacts us, then another one is the information browser, like this. Okay, so these tags, how can design those tags? With the help of a list. You can see here now. First I will write some tags over here. Okay, so I will use here only three tabs. In same way here about us. Okay, so what I have done, I have used the header tag. In that header means whatever data, whatever list we have provided here, that will be present on the header of our page, not the footer. Okay, in same code I will update the footer also, but first we will see how it works, how header works. I will save it as a third dot html. Now see, in header, first I have little heading as a welcome. In that list of three elements, that is the three tabs: home, about us, and contact us. Okay, so according to your, you can design it. Okay, welcome, home, about us, contact us. So it will be listed over here. What? It will be listed over here. Now see, suppose I will remove here doc type. Okay, because you are already in the HTML5, which is using the concepts of HTML, so you can remove it, no issues. So in header part, it has shown you this list: home, about us, and contact. So this is the main use of a header. In this same, I will add the footer. Means in the body tag at the last, I will add the footer. Now see, if you are adding at the proper location then and then, it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Now, where you have to add the footer? In the document or the page. And in that, whatever data you want to write, you can. So I will write here one paragraph as copyright. Okay. Suppose copyright is 2020, and you can close it. Okay. Right. Actually, it is printed at the middle also. If you are changing its, okay, so you can write at the middle, because you know it has printed on the footer, but you can write on the middle also by setting some locations. Okay, so you can design it, but before designing you should know all these things. Okay, so I have provided you only the overview related to semantic tags. There are different examples which are based on these tags. You can use it, you can implement it. And whenever I will share with you one Google form, at that time you have to upload these images. Okay, you can upload the written screenshots. Okay, or if you are having laptop, then you can implement it. Take a screenshot with its code. Whatever output is there, before output its code must be there for both. Means if you are written on pages for them also, and those who are writing on the as a soft copy from them also. Okay, so you can make a PDF and then you can upload it, no issues. I will provide both the. Any queries? Yes, any queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay, anybody has given? Okay, all of you given a presentee? Yes, anybody is remain? Okay, so in next practical, I will share that Google link, sorry, Google form link. You have to upload whatever statement I will provide over there within a given time. I will give you some time. In the practical only, you have to implement it and directly you have to upload it on that Google form. And after that, I will open those forms over here through present screen. Okay, so everybody can know how you can design your own pages. And each and everyone, those who are present on in this practical, that many forms must be submitted to my side. You have to take care about it. Okay. Right now, if anybody has implemented, they can share your screen. I have stopped my screen sharing. Okay. If you have understood, then can we stop here?
Ma'am, I have implemented my program.
Okay. So can you share your screen?
Actually, ma'am, I will share with my mobile
Okay.
by
Okay.
switching camera.
Yeah, yeah. No issues. You can.
Screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, visible, but it is showing some blur.
Now
Yeah, okay. Yes, yes. Yes,
I
all
have
of you.
implemented all. I have implemented header,
Okay,
header,
correct.
then canvas. Is it
Yeah.
visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And aside two.
Mm, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so thank you, Snehal, for
That's it,
sharing.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Huh.
Yes, anybody else who want to share it? Okay. So next practical onward, we will follow that procedure. Okay. I will share that Google form. You have to upload it whatever time I have provided, and after that I will share those screenshots with you. That will be the better option. And those screenshots are there. You have to explain it what you have done in your program. Okay. It is like a offline practice, what we are doing in the our practicals. Okay. So if you are not having any queries, then shall we stop here?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Okay. So thank you all of you and take care.